without any iota of lack of word. I, Stephen Mule, MP from Kenya, I want to, in strongest term possible, to condemn President Putin for putting the people of Ukraine into unbearable suffering because of your greedy of leadership. I want to ask all leaders in Africa to expel the ambassadors of Russia from our continent. You cannot have a government which interferes with a democratic elected government in the world and you let it just like that. I want to ask Mheshimiwa Uhuru Kenyatta, we know that you are the chair of AU as we speak right now. Mobilize the president of Africa and expel all diplomatic and cut down the ties between us and Russia. Because it is very, very painful to send rockets, bullets to innocent Ukrainian. People without any, people who have not invaded Russia, people who have not insulted you. The president of Russia was elected by 73% of Ukrainians. And now you are telling the world you want to change that democratic world. We don't have space for war in this century in the world. And we are going to remain firm. And I, Stephen Mule, I will bring a motion of adjournment next week on Tuesday in Parliament. We discuss your conduct and expel all the diplomatic officers we have in this country from Russia. We don't care who you are, Putin. Stop that war. God bless the world. God bless Kenya. Thank you.